Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You should begin by securing hosting and a domain, then enable SSL so checkout is secure. Install WordPress and pick a responsive theme that suits product catalogs. Next, install WooCommerce and run its setup wizard, add currency, store address, and tax basics now. While you configure, create an admin account with a strong password and enable two-factor if available. Once these essentials are live, you'll have a functioning base to add products, payment methods, and shipping rules. Now you build the core. Add products with clear titles, high-res images, SKU and inventory numbers, set variations and attributes for size or color. Then configure payment gateways like Stripe and PayPal, make sure to use sandbox mode and complete test purchases. After that, set shipping zones, rates, and tax rules relevant to your regions. Also refine checkout fields. Remove friction, ask only what's necessary. Once these elements are complete, your store will process orders reliably and track fulfillment. Finish by running a complete test purchase, checking order emails, taxes, and fulfillment notifications so the experience is smooth. Optimize performance with caching, image compression, and a CDN. Schedule regular backups and update plugins during low-traffic windows. If something breaks, inspect server and plugin logs, then disable recently added plugins or switch to the default theme to isolate the issue. If errors persist, restore the latest backup and reapply changes one at a time so you find the root cause quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.